Where should you start with your emergency fund? Let's start at the beginning. What is an emergency fund? An emergency fund just means that you have money in an account in case of an emergency. Now, emergencies are actually emergencies, not it's on sale and you've got to buy it. So something like you get a flat tire and you need to have all your tires replaced because your tires are so old that you can't just replace one. Or your engine decides that it has a coolant leak and you have to get that fixed. Or maybe you have something medical that comes up. The idea of emergency fund is it bridges the gap. So you're not having to put the money on credit, you just have the money available to you to spend. The great thing about this is that an emergency fund gives you a lot of freedom and takes a lot of that weight off of your shoulders. But if you're like, hey, how am I supposed to put any money in an emergency fund? Even if you start with just $5 a week, just something, just put some money aside into an emergency fund that you can't touch. Now, the way I recommend doing this and the way this worked out really well for me is I just have it auto deposited into an account that is not with any of the banks that I do my normal banking with. So it goes into a separate account. And the thing is, this is the out of sight, out of mind thing. So because it's in another account, because I don't see that statement all the time, I kind of just forget it's there. And in the meanwhile, it's accumulating money. And then once that money gets up to a certain point, then I take that out and I do invest it. So it's getting a little bit higher return on the market for me. But to get the money moved over to First Start is just put it into a separate account and have it auto done. To get started, just automate it. Automate as much as you can. Because if you could automate the $5 savings each month or each week or each pay or the $10 or the $25, whatever it is that works for you, what happens is you're going to automatically adjust your spending because now you have that little bit less money. And just the way we adjust our spending up, you can also adjust your spending down. And then you can put more money in your emergency fund. So when something does happen, you got it.